Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install Steam on Mac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. There, you will click on Install Steam. Wait for the download to complete. Remember to allow downloads if asked. After this, click on the downloaded file. In the pop-up window, drag the Steam icon to Applications. When you do, double-click on the installer. In the pop-up window, click Open. You will wait for the verification to complete. Click Open to authorize access. After a moment, you will have access to the Steam app. There you can log in. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.